Hello guys, and welcome back on DevOps with Yannick. Today we're going to try to learn the basic concept about user interface on our Jenkins server, and we're going to introduce ourselves also on how to create our first job using a useful notion on bash scripting, variable, and so on. So let's get started. So here we have our user interface, and you can see that we have welcome to Jenkins. This page where your Jenkins jobs will be displayed to get started. So you can create on the new item on the left or on the right, and you're going to have this page. For the introduction, we're going to use our freestyle project option in order to create. You can use the create a job on the right, or you can use the new item on the left. So you're going to have the same output. Okay. So I'm just going to use back on our server first, and I'm going to run the docker ps command in order to get my docker ID, and I'm going to log in. I'm going to log inside our docker container, our Jenkins docker container, using the command docker exec -it container ID. Then I'm going to give the bash, which means I want my interface using the bash language, okay, born again shell. So once I do that, I'm now inside my server, my Jenkins server. Okay, so I'm going to cd inside var, and when I list it, you're going to see that we have Jenkins home, and this is the directory that we copy on the previous video inside our docker volume. It's the directory that contains everything. When I list it, you see you have exactly the same thing that we got in the previous video in our docker volume on our server. Okay, so I just want to show you that quickly before to move forward with the new concept and so on. Okay, so let's move forward right now. So I was saying that this is our Jenkins user interface. When I'm clicking or a new item on create job, is the same output. Normally you're going to have this page that is showing up where they're going to say enter a item name. So most of the item name is what the name of your project, right? So the job is a task. What we were calling a task with Ansible is a job here. So we're going to choose as I said before, freestyle, because it's the basic job on Jenkins, and we just started with my first job. So I click on the bottom, and you're going to have this page once we click, and on this page you can provide a description if you want. You're going to scroll down a little bit,